Episode 333, The Observer Effect, Beyond Measurement. Why observation is structural, not human. The observer effect is one of the most misunderstood ideas in science. It's not about humans watching particles. It's about when information becomes constrained. The common misinterpretation. The observer effect is often explained as consciousness collapsing reality, human attention changing outcomes, mind over matter. That's incorrect. What observer actually means: an observer is not a person. An observer is any system capable of constraining information. Observation equals interaction with limits. Observation as structural constraint. A quantum system exists as possibilities. Observation happens when boundaries are introduced, constraints apply, information must resolve. Reality doesn't respond to awareness, it responds to structure. Why measurement changes outcomes? Measurement introduces energy exchange, boundary conditions, informational restriction. These force resolution, not because something noticed, but because something interacted. Human consciousness is not required. Particles interact with particles. Fields interact with fields. Reality resolves outcomes constantly without humans present. This disapproves mind collapse myths. Why humans seem involved? Humans are complex constraint systems, high bandwidth interfaces, measurement amplifiers. We are not special observers, just dense ones. The observer effect and probability. Before observation, probabilities exist. Outcomes are weighted. After observation, one path stabilizes, others are excluded. This is selection, not creation. Why delayed choice experiments confuse people? These experiments show the system never committed early. There was no past decision to change, only late constraint resolution. Observation versus control. Observation does not control reality, it limits it. Limitation enables stability. Why this matters? If observation is structural, consciousness doesn't force outcomes. Intention doesn't override constraints. Reality remains lawful. This preserves coherence. Key insight. Observation is not awareness, it is constraint. Practical clarity. If outcomes don't resolve, constraints are insufficient. Add structure, not intention. The universe doesn't wait for you to look, it waits for information to become constrained. Next, we will explore the nature of space-time itself. Why space-time is emergent, not fundamental. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there, step by step. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.